Hi, good afternoon. This is Abid Sharif, and I'm here right now in Sharjah Expo Culinary in Emirates Culinary Guild, which is the world-class event which is they organize here in Sharjah in Emirates. So we will show you the all kind of modern cuisine food here, and everything whatever going in this event happen. We will show you the everything, how many kind of food there is preparing and what is going over here. It will be everything you will see in this video. So let's go with me. We will take around to the all exhibition, all the event. We will show you the chef how they are preparing the live food and how they are presentation making for the plate. Everything we will show you in this video. Let's go. So now guys, I will show you the food how they prepare over here. You can see it looks amazing. Wow. This is all sweet desserts section which is I'm showing you over here. You can see wonderful job. Behind of me you can see the chefs are preparing the live cooking, and we will take a one shot for them also. You can see this is a live cooking competition. Chocolate carving, you can see there is also description about what they make, and also this one. This is the one you can see. It's nice. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. And also you can see there is a new oven. So this is the bread section. You can see how they prepare and how many kind of variety they make it over here. Nice. Good job. There is many kind of fresh croissant as well. Have a look at this one also. Nice. Have a look at this one also. It's nice and good looks. You can see this one also fantastic job. They do it. This is the area for the butcher. Make it live cutting for the meat, for the poultry. Have a look at. There is all, mostly the leading company are available in this exhibition and in this competition. You can see there is a mini company, have a stall, have all the presents here. This is, you can see the back of the house. Now they are almost finished the people for the competition.